Hello world, welcome back. So we are going to discuss about the nested loops. So a loop inside another loop is known as nested loop. Let's say we have a for loop. So inside for loop, I can have any number of for or while loop. These for and while loop inside the outer for loop are known as nested loops, and these ... denotes that it can have any number of nested loop inside the outer loop. Similarly, if we have while loop, then any other loop inside while loop will be considered as nested loop. So I've taken an example where I am using two for loops. So the outer one is iterating over the range of 3 and the inner one is iterating over the string Python. So this particular loop is known as inner loop and this particular loop is known as outer loop. So let's consider value of I as 0. For value 0, it will run complete inner loop one time. Then the value of I becomes 1. Then the inner loop again will be executed completely. For the value of 2 also, it will get executed completely. So when I'll run this program, so for the value of I as 0, it is running the inner loop completely and printing Python, and then for the value of 1 also it is running completely and printing each character in new line. Then again for the value of 2 it is printing Python with each character in new line, like this. So this is how the inner loop works. Inner loop can be in any combination and in any number. For example, I have used one for loop here, so I can use while loop also, and I can use n number of for loops or while loops inside the outer loop. So this was the quick video on nested loops in Python.